Looks beautiful. I love it. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Naledi. For those who know me, welcome back. We're back with another banger. Yes, sir. So, in today's video, it's going to be a couple of days in my life. Maybe an unfiltered days or usual diaries. Whatever it's gonna be, but it's gonna be it. So, today is a Sunday, the 2nd of June. And
Okay.
yes. The 1st of June was yesterday, babes.
Okay.
It is currently 6:26. 25 still. Okay. So, I'm going to go revise my work. I'm wearing my hoodie. No, this is not a hoodie. It's my pajama. And my track pants because I went to go do my hair and my hoodie is wet because it's raining outside. But besides that, I'm going to go revise my thingy, my schoolwork, because tomorrow I'm writing. And then, yeah, I'm left with like, besides tomorrow's paper, 3 papers left. And then I'm done. I'm finishing on the 10th of June. Patiently waiting for that day because it's been too long. So hopefully I'm gonna try and make the best out of this video because I really don't know what is it about, what's gonna be in the video, just a video. So hopefully it becomes a video actually because I'm not planning to do an intro for nothing. And yeah, today I went to go do my hair. Guys, I'm in love with a straight back with my ugly head, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Don't knock that. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. No bars. I'm done studying. Rather, let me say I'm done revising. Yeah, what I know, I know. What I don't know, I don't know. Because, hey, 1 grams. But then, right now, I'm going to bath, get some fresh bath. Because I've been revising. It is currently past 8, I think. And then, tomorrow I'm writing. I haven't even fixed my school uniform. I'm just a person. And I was doing my hair for like 2 hours today. She took so much time, I don't know why. And don't be fooled, guys. My hair is longer than this. It's like just jokes. But yeah, so I'm about to bath now and have my music session up. Guys, it is currently 6:42. And I'm getting ready to go to school. Don't mind how it looks inside here. I don't have a button or gonna be to cover it. So yeah, because it's so cold. Oh, it is so cold. It is not even funny. I look so disgusting and tired. Oh. It is today, so no, it is today. And I'm so hungry. And I have cash to buy my kunya. I think I have coins. I think. This is 26 now. I'm just gonna make coffee. And yeah, I think I have coins in my purse. And if it's not enough to buy food cakes, I'm gonna ask my mom for coins so I can buy food cakes. Because literally when I eat food cakes, I get full. You see, for like those few hours. And I'm literally writing 1 hour paper, which is like from 8 till 9. It's like an hour paper. We leave at 10, if not 9. I'm really not sure here. I never checked the time, but yeah. This is how I currently look. I want to go do my hair today. I don't want to stay longer.
I couldn't go over black coffee. Sorry. I didn't go. That's how it. That's how it is.
Hi. I'm drinking black coffee for the first time. Because I haven't used it. Yes. Have milk. Hi guys, it is currently 6:12 right now, and I'm about to bath because it's cold. So I want to bath and then go study so I can like be a little warm, even though my room is warm, but then being warmer. Okay, I talk too much. Let me just get to the point. So today I wrote my paper. It is okay. It is mega sharp, and then yeah, tomorrow I'm writing history. The following day I'm writing LO, which both of them are like 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 30 minutes each paper. So right now I'm just gonna go bath so I can go study properly when I'm warm. Yeah, and I currently don't have space. I'm literally left with like 53 minutes left until my space is dead. And bear in mind, this is not my phone, it's my mom's phone. My phone doesn't have space at all. Useless. I'm just patiently waiting to buy new phone so bad, because at this point this phone is just useless. It's the real definition of useless. You get me? But I'm low-key grateful because I wouldn't be having a phone like that. You see? So yeah, I'm about to bath now. And then yeah. And my day was quite short. We rolled and then we like bought my queenias, even though the line was like was hella long. We stood there for like 30 minutes. But then since I was with my friends, it didn't even feel like 30 minutes. You get me? But it was very cold though. And then got home. We're about to write. Can I drink? Can I drink? Hi guys, it is currently the 7th of May. We went to my school just to like take back my check pants because they're extra big. So yeah, if hopefully they can like exchange the size for us, then we can go to the mall and go run some errands. So yeah, and yesterday I was just at home. Nothing hectic really happened. I was just watching shows the whole day, and yeah, today is currently a Friday. This day I was in IT. Guys, so can't remember more about a pure soap one though, just to Lambisa, but then I'll buy a proper one after ordering my shoe clothes, like the proper pack. And I bought a school bag. It looks beautiful. I love it. Like it's different. Thing is, I'm a red bed fan. Like even a red bed should sponsor me, because I've never held any school bag except red beds in my life, except my cure bag at all. No, it was this one, it was the red one, this the black one, and then now I got this one. So I wanted to just buy this one because it's different, because a lot of people have the one I currently have, and it's just like, it was nice when I was the only one that had it. Like last year, only like a few, surely like 3 people. Now the whole school has it. So I have something different. I'm back with another bang. And it looks beautiful. I love the blue because blue used to be my favorite color. So blue and black combined together is just like, wow. Wow.
Why do I look so tired? You do look tired.